Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the ACDC Gamer Slider here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? That's a fantastic toy, guys. It comes inside this kind of like pelican case. It's vacuum sealed in this plastic bag, so make sure you have that if you're buying a brand new one, and just nothing special about this one. It's a little bit on the flimsy side. Yeah, I mean, you're always worried that these flaps are gonna break, but it's cool to have something to protect and carry. At least for the shipping part, it's pretty good. So what do we have here, guys? It's one of my favorite fidget toys. This is the Gamer. It's the ACDC Gamer, but I call this the Gamer Slicer because here we have the Gamer, and as you can see, ACDC Gamer, ACDC Gamer. But this is the clicker, which rotates and clicks, and this is the slider because, yeah, this guy slides in 4 directions. So you can have 3 states in the horizontal line and 3 in the vertical line. But this guy also rotates, all right? And also rotates in every of these 9 states. And at the same time, it clicks. So it clicks, rotates, and also the buttons, they do rotate. So it's more complex than the Gamer clicker. This is the Gamer Slider. So it clicks, slides beautifully and rotates. It's not a spinner, but it's beautifully done. This is zirconium blasted. I believe there's only 25 made of these guys, and that's why it's pretty rare to find. It's made in China. The cost on these guys is up there. For the secondary market, don't expect to pay anything less than $300. So yeah, it's an expensive one. The Zirc probably is going to be more, but this is just what you pay for quality items. This is just beautifully made, I'm telling you. ACDC, I just have these 2 toys so far. He's doing a fantastic job. I mean, this is really well done. This is the V2, version 2. There's also version 1 on this guy. You can also find it in cupro-nickel. You can find it in titanium, I believe, in copper, but correct me if I'm wrong. And this guy is not that big. Like, it's 1.53 inches, like across, let's say, and has a thickness of 0.555. So it's not that big. And let's just keep it, like, put it in perspective. You've seen it up against the clicker. For example, that's the Mahjong, and you can see it's comparable in size. This is the Muji. That's the guy one. It's a fantastic spinner, guys. What else can I show you here? That's the Amburi coin, like that. Really, really cool one. Muji capsule spinner, to give you an idea. That's a big one. That's the black mirror design. That's the dial. So it's another relatively big one. I mean, especially if you consider that up against, for example, that's the medium size super haptic coin from Amburi. So that's kind of like a smaller size. Like, for example, Lauti Sam. You know, that's a little bit lighter and smaller than that. Or, for example, maybe another Lauti piece. That's the Shuffle in a pair of kings. And also, this is Idisi Lung. That's the Bulletproof Shield. This is a fantastic one, guys. So you have an idea of the size of the Gamer. And yeah, I mean, it's a really nice one, guys. There's so many things I like about this one. I mean, the look, of course, is so simple, square, 4 buttons, PlayStation, fantastic. I just noticed that the positions, they do not correspond to the PlayStation one, but it's not a big deal because you can take it apart. It actually comes... I believe it comes with a screwdriver, or, I mean, this is just a Torx bit, I think, so it looks like a T8, T10, so pretty straightforward to take this guy apart. You remove these 4 screws right here, and you're done. This pops off. If you want to do, you can also do the other 4 on the bottom, but if you want to rearrange the buttons on the top, you're just gonna need these 4, and it's beautifully done. I was saying this is looking fantastic. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Absolutely well made, zirconium blasted, has a very, very cool look to it, super simple, symmetrical. It's just fantastic. The sound also that this guy makes is addictive, I'm telling you, because you can do like popping, like the pops, the paper, the bubble, that you pop. It's resembling very, very much that sound. Also, like the sound you can produce, there's this sound, which is produced by sliding it. If you slide and rotate, you can have this kind of sound. So you can slide and rotate like that. You can slide and rotate 90 degrees, or you can slide and rotate 180 degrees. And it's going to create a very complex sound because you've got, like, maybe from the side you can see there's like 4 stainless steel ball bearings, which are allowed to go into these tracks, you see. So they just slide, and when you rotate, this guy just gets pulled out, and there's like a pivot on the center, which allows the balls just to realign in the other track. And when you see that, you can notice that the pivot is free to go into a cross-section path kind of thing, and therefore is like hinged only within these 2 axes, inside. So you can produce this sound, you can produce this sound, or you can produce this sound, or you can just do everything all together. It's just gonna be a mashup, like a mess of sounds, but it's so pleasant to the ear. That's not even funny. Also, the tactile sensation is really, really good, guys. Like the feedback you get from these buttons is very solid. It feels really good. When you slide it, is just fantastic. But my favorite motion would be this one, like just holding like that and having it rotate, and like that, just slide and rotate at an angle and coming back. It's just pleasant. It's just satisfactory. Your brain receives some good vibes from your hand doing this, and from your ears, like listening to this noise. I mean, tactile, visual, auditory sensations all at once are bombarding your brain with sensations, and that's what makes this toy addictive. It's so good. The size, the weight, the shape. Let's check out the weight on this guy. It's not like super light, it's not like crazy heavy, but this guy is gonna be 4.22 ounces, so it's dense. You can feel it in your hand, and you're gonna feel it in your pocket as well. But I'm telling you, this is gonna be a lot of fun. It's a really good looking one. It's fantastically sounding, but most of all, it feels great in your hand. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.